Remove the green terminal block from the 2-wire connection board. Connect the shielded pair wires from the travel cable to the terminal block. Reinsert the terminal block into the 2-wire connection board. Remove the Ethernet cable from its packaging and connect it to the Ethernet port on the back of the 2N 2-wire unit. Each 2-wire unit, one per car station, requires its own dedicated Ethernet cable. Next, remove the PoE splitter from its packaging. Connect the loose end of the Ethernet cable to the splitter. The PoE splitter is included with your WUR-COM car station package. The WUR-COM car station kit includes printed installation instructions and detailed field wiring diagrams. Review these documents carefully to confirm all cutout dimensions and mounting requirements before starting any wiring. Install the car station, microphone, and speaker as outlined in the instructions. For the speaker, connect the yellow and black wires, terminated in a white terminal block, to the pins labeled SPK on the board. The label is printed directly on the PCB. For the microphone, connect the red and black wires enclosed in a gray jacket and terminated in a red terminal block to the pins labeled mic on the board. Next, plug the EMI filter board into the call, yes, and no button headers on the main board, ensuring it is firmly seated on the pins. In most cases, the call, yes, and no buttons are already installed on the COP. If not, mount them in their designated locations on the EMI board. Each button has a red and black wire terminated in a white terminal block. Connect the call button to the left 2 pins, the yes button to the middle 2 pins, and the no button to the right 2 pins. Some newer button harnesses include a ring terminal for grounding. If your unit has this feature, connect the ring terminal to a nearby weld stud. One recommended method is to remove a nut securing the car station, slide the terminal onto the stud, and retighten the nut. Be sure the terminal sits flat against the metal surface to reduce electromagnetic interference. Plug the Ethernet output from the splitter into the car station's Ethernet port. Then, connect the USB-C cable from the PoE splitter to the USB-C port on top of the WUR-COM car station. For the camera, review the installation instructions to confirm cutout dimensions and mounting requirements. Install the camera as outlined, then connect its USB cable to any of the 4 USB ports on the car station. Finally, insert the terminal block with the shielded pair from the communication alarm into the external Relay 1 port on the side of the car station. This port is clearly labeled on the board for easy identification.